1. Dual 10-inch jib side table saw. This unit features a 15-amp motor which quickly rips through hardwoods with ease. The telescoping fence rails easily extend and retract to create a small portable package, and the flip-over ripping fence allows for narrow rip cuts. 2. Skill 10-inch table saw. Ideal for woodworkers looking to tackle bigger projects in and around the house, the 3410 scale table saw is an essential tool. 3. Dual 10-inch compact job side table saw. Features tool-free guarding component adjustments and fast, accurate fence adjustments. 4. Hitachi C10RJ. Direct drive universal 15-amp motor produces 4,500 RPM to power through the toughest ripping applications. 5. Dual DW745. Features the Site Pro modular guarding system for application-specific setups that result in quick, accurate cuts. 6. Bosch 10-inch Worksit table saw. It comes equipped with Bosch's innovative Smart Guard system, a sturdy sub-base with carry handles and a square-lock rip fence. 7. Skeel Saw portable worm drive table saw. Features a best-in-class 15-amp dual-field motor that powers and keeps the motor cool through continuous cuts. 8. Rigid R4516. Features a dual locking rip fence that clamps on both the front and rear of the table for accurate alignment. 9. Bosch GTS 1031. This table saw allows users to deliver their cuts faster. The table includes on-tool storage under the table, storing all the accessories. 10. Rigid ZRR 4513. The Retracto Rip System's tool-free extendable table allows for up to 25 inches rip capacity and material support through the cut. For more detailed information, check the link below.